Friends came by and would always find things that we could modify, make faster, paint up, tighten up. Of course, we broke a lot of things. We put it back together. It came down to us getting faster, more daring, and I took it with me into my adulthood. Then I wanted to create things for other people. Creating things for other people gave me a lot of joy. After they were happy, well, I kept creating stuff for myself too. After I started creating stuff for myself, then it just kept going on and on and on. I ended up having more customers want more things done, and I was super happy about having people happy when they left. On top of lifting trucks, same thing. Lifting trucks, guys want 4-inch, 6-inch, 9-inch lifts. We'll do our best and get you the best price. That's what it comes down to. And when I see that truck leave the driveway, I mean, it's awesome. I get hairs on my arms just to see that drive off and to see that it was built here. And I like doing that. I love doing that. It's the best feeling. And that's what keeps me going. You know, everybody has to work, everybody has to make money, but I like it more than making money. Of course, you know, the latest car, the Corvette. The Corvette, it's got a big cam, some bolt-ons this year. Hey, we're gonna boost it. So that's the game plan. Just keep moving forward and, you know, keep creating. That's in our blood. Keep creating. You'll definitely be happy leaving here. Again, leaving here and seeing the smile on your face is my satisfaction. So you get a car you need work on, whether it's general maintenance, routine maintenance, we do that. You need modifications, we'll do that. Fabricating, customizing, we can do that too. And of course, staying in close communication to make sure you get exactly what you want is a big deal. And that's what we're shooting for. And when you're leaving here, you're happy, you burn out, you honk, you wave. That makes me happy.